In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your sway bar link. This one is located in the front of the vehicle, behind the wheel. To remove the wheel, we're going to use a 19mm socket. Make sure you place your lug nuts off to the side, somewhere that you're not going to get kicked around. Now simply remove the wheel. I'm going to use a little bit of penetrating oil on the hardware. Give the penetrating oil time to soak in. To remove the sway bar link nuts, we're going to use a set of channel locks on the back side of the stud and a 17mm socket. Now we'll remove the sway bar link and install your new sway bar link. Start with the bottom and then the top. Install your top nut and start your bottom nut. To tighten down the sway bar link nut, use an 18mm wrench on the back side and an 18mm socket to tighten the nut. Torque the nuts for the sway bar link to 44 foot-pounds using an 18mm socket. Do the same to the top. With the sway bar link nuts torqued, you can throw your wheel back on, torque your lug nuts, and take it for a road test, listening for any noises or vibrations. Line up the lug studs. If you support the bottom of the wheel and thread one lug nut all the way in, it'll hold the wheel for you. Now we're going to torque the lugs to 89 foot-pounds. You want to torque in a star pattern, keeping all of the lugs even as you bring them down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.